What's up, guys? This is Ty Zen, and in this video, guys, I want to share with you guys how to withdraw or transfer your ethers using myetherwallet.com. So now I'm back over here, guys. We're going to continue off from where we left in the first video. So in this next video here, we need to be able to send and transfer ethers. So let's go ahead and scroll down the instructions here so that the instructions are there. And we are going to come up here, and so what we're going to do is I need to open up another. You want to leave this open and do not close it just yet. So I'm going to come up here and put a new tab in. We are going to send transaction, right? So now if you're trying to transfer the ethers from your Ethereum IPO or the IPO ethers or the pre-sale ethers, however you want to call it, right? Then come over here and select the upload your wallet file, and then come over here and select wallet file. Now if you guys can see here, this is my Ethereum wallet file, and you'll notice that it ends in the .json extension. So this JSON file right here is what you want. And you select open and wait for a few seconds while it loads up the file. And you'll see here that the file that I have that I named Ty and Chris Ethereum wallet. Chris is one of my friends that invested into the Ethereum with me, so that's the file that contains both of our ethers. So there it is right there, and once it goes in, you will need to enter the password that was originally created when you bought your pre-sale ethers or your IPO ethers. So once again, I'm going to go over to my password manager, KeyPass, and I will look for it. All right, so once I grab the password from my password manager, what I do is I paste it into here, and then this button, decrypt button, will pop up, and you will click on decrypt right there. And it'll say wallet successfully decrypted, and if you scroll down, you will see what the account information looks like. As you guys can see here, it says that the account address is so and so right here, and there are 850 ethers in the account, and it's worth at the current prices, it's worth 2,000 US dollars or 1,900 euros, or almost 6 bitcoins. All right, so once it gets here, what we're going to do is, if you guys want to practice sending this somewhere, what I would suggest that you guys do is select this donate button right there, and it will automatically populate this address with the address of the authors of this myetherwallet.com. So I always like to believe in giving credit where credit is due. I struggled to withdraw and transfer and convert these ethers into Bitcoin, and so when I found this My Ether Wallet service, I thought it was pretty cool to help me, So I don't mind using them as a test account so that you guys can see it. So you type in the address that you want right here to send the ethers to. In this particular case, I'm going to send 1 ether. Just for practice here so you guys can see it, and you'll notice that it's in denominations of ether. It's in the ether units. Now there's one thing that the authors of this software put that I do not understand. It says that this is approximately 2,134 US dollars, and it's worth 1,933 euros. Now I do not know what that means. The only thing that I see is that it is worth the 2134 happens to match up with this number of US dollars here, and the euro is matched up to here. So I'm not exactly sure what that means. But I put in 1 ether here, and when I hit generate transaction, it sends 1 ether to the authors of this myetherwallet.com software, and you will see that this is the raw transaction. Not sure what that means, but this is the signed transaction right here, right? And so when I hit send, it will confirm it, and it'll say, warning, you are about to send 1 Ether to this address, which is the authors of this myetherwallet.com. Are you sure you want to do this? And make sure that you pause and read this and make sure that this is what you want to do. And if this is what you want to do, then confirm it by clicking yes, I am sure. Make the transaction. And here's the transaction ID right here, right? So you can copy and paste this and go to your Ethereum blockchain, and in this time when you paste it in there and hit search, the account, it'll show up, okay? And it's from this account going to this account. So this is their donation address here. They've received a total of 88 ethers so far, and let's select, well, if we click on here, let me enlarge this for you guys. So if you guys see, the authors of myetherwallet.com has already received 88 ethers right there, and if we click on here, transactions received, we will see that there's 1 ether there from us. Okay, so we know that this is from our account because we just sent it. So it's going from this myetherwallet account to this. All right. So that's how you send a transaction or withdraw ethers from your pre-sale ethers or your IPO ethers, however you want to call it. So as you guys can see there, this was fairly simple to upload your JSON file into the myetherwallet.com, and it was very, very simple to send a transaction out. Like I said, when you guys do this, I would suggest that you guys send a test withdrawal to the donation button here to the authors of myetherwallet.com before you transfer it anywhere else, just to make sure that everything is working correctly. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video, guys, and I hope that this short tutorials, this series of short tutorials was able to help you guys figure out how to set up your Ethereum wallet account and be able to withdraw and transfer ethers in and out of it, and be able to load up the pre-sale ethers or the ether IPOs that you guys got back when it was made available, and be able to do it safely, securely, and use the resources that I shared with you guys to convert your ethers into Bitcoin or into any other cryptocurrency that you guys want to convert it to. Okay, so if you guys like this video, guys, leave questions, comments, and suggestions for future videos below this video. And if you guys want to donate, any coffee or beer donations are awesome. Just go to the link below and you can donate there. And if you know anyone that can benefit from this video tutorial, guys, be sure to share this video with someone who can benefit from it. And make sure you also subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll look forward to seeing you guys in a future video.